Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving into 15 highly captivating Turkish drama series that have captured the hearts of audiences worldwide. Starting with number 1. Kaderimin Yajildigi, A Part of Me. The series revolves around the Yorukhan family, who, while celebrating the pomegranate harvest, face tensions due to Difne's inability to have children. Difne and her mother-in-law, Kimet, decide to hire a surrogate, Elif, to bear their child. Elif, a young girl from a troubled background, agrees to the arrangement, believing the child she carries will be for Difne and her husband, Kahraman. However, unbeknownst to Elif, is carrying Kahraman's child, not hers. The truth is eventually discovered, causing chaos as Difne becomes furious and Kahraman and Elif develop feelings for each other. Difne, heartbroken and enraged, conspires with a man named Maksud to separate Kahraman and Elif, while Elif remains unaware of the depth of the situation. As secrets unravel, emotions escalate, and the characters are caught in a complex web of love, betrayal, and manipulation. The series offers intense emotional drama, passionate love stories, and unexpected twists. While it may feel repetitive to some, its compelling characters and chemistry between the leads keep it engaging for fans of Turkish drama. Number 2. Kalbimdeki Deniz, Second Chance. Second Chance is a Turkish drama series that follows the life of Deniz, a woman who has everything: a wealthy lifestyle, a loving family, and a happy marriage. Her life takes a dramatic turn when her husband, Alihan, disappears without a trace, and she later discovers that he has run away with his lover, Shebnem, with the help of her cousin Hulya. Just 3 days after his disappearance, Deniz loses all her wealth, leaving her destitute with her 2 children and elderly father. Forced to move into a poor neighborhood, Deniz struggles to adapt to her new life and protect her family. During this difficult time, she meets Merit, who becomes her support and potential love interest. As Deniz fights to survive and rebuild her life, she faces the challenges of trusting others again and learning to find hope and strength in the face of betrayal. The series explores themes of love, loss, and survival through powerful storytelling and emotional drama. While the storyline of betrayal and survival has potential, the execution can feel unrealistic and overly dramatic at times. Some viewers might enjoy the emotional journey and strong performances from the cast, but others might find the plot repetitive and hard to follow. If you enjoy melodrama and emotional twists, it could be worth a watch, but it's not for everyone. Number 3. Gumush. Gumush follows Mehmet Sadoglu, who is broken by his girlfriend's death in a car accident, is urged by his family to marry Gumush, a girl who has loved him since childhood. Although Gumush initially rejoices at the chance to be with Mehmet, she soon realizes he is emotionally distant and still grieving his lost love. Despite this, she remains patient, hoping that Mehmet will eventually reciprocate her feelings. As time passes, Mehmet begins to see Gumush in a new light and falls in love with her. The series unfolds as a modern Cinderella story, showcasing Gumush's transformation from a humble girl to a figure of success, driven by her enduring hope and love. It portrays how a single event can drastically alter one's life, echoing the dramatic shift in Gumush's fate. Gumush is a melodramatic series that combines classic soap opera elements with a modern Cinderella twist. While the romance between Gumush and Mehmet starts off engaging, it tends to drag with repetitive plotlines and melodramatic moments, especially during the prison subplot. The character development often feels shallow, and the series' portrayal of certain situations can be overly idealized. However, the show's charm lies in its passionate love story and the transformation of Gumush from a humble girl to a successful woman. Despite its flaws, it is one of the most popular drama series in the Arab countries, captivating millions with its blend of drama and romance. Number 4. Aji Ashk. In a world where love intertwines fates, Bullet, trapped in a loveless marriage with Sudhe, finds solace in the enchanting violinist Melika at a hotel opening. Their instant connection ignites a forbidden romance, shadowed by Sudhe's desperate longing for affection and Ali's unwavering devotion to love. Unbeknownst to Bullet, Furman, his employer and Sudhe's father, holds a dark secret. His negligence led to Bullet's father's tragic death. As Melek and Bullet explore their passionate bond, Sudhe's jealousy brews, complicating their lives. Ali, a steadfast friend, grapples with his own feelings for Sudhe, torn between loyalty and love. The story unfolds with heartache and sacrifice, questioning whether true happiness can emerge from such tangled emotions. Can Bullet confront his past and break free from Sudhe's hold? Will Melika find the courage to fight for their love? Amidst the chaos, each character must choose between passion and the painful sacrifices that love demands. In the end, it fully captures the tumultuous journey of love and sacrifice, featuring strong performances, particularly from Seçkin Özdemir as Bullet. The intense romance between Bullet and Melek is compelling, though some may find the melodrama excessive, and it is also true that there are a lot of episodes of this series which seems a little too draggy, but overall, it's a captivating series that explores the complexities of the heart, resonating with fans despite its flaws. Number 5. Menekşe ile Halil. This is one of the best romantic Turkish series, which revolves around Menekşe, a 20-year-old Turkish girl, and Halil, a Bosnian young man, work together at a Berlin patisserie and share a deep, secret love. Menekşe's conservative father forces her into an arranged marriage with Mustafa, a wealthy suitor. Despite the pressure, she and Halil decide to escape to Istanbul to pursue their love. Their journey becomes perilous when Mustafa and Menekşe's brother, Kadir, follow them to reclaim her. As they navigate the challenges of their new life, they must confront the threats from her family and the traditions that bind them. Halil carries a heavy secret that complicates their relationship further. The series explores themes of love, sacrifice, and the clash between tradition and personal freedom. Menekşe and Halil's fight for happiness becomes a battle against societal norms and family expectations. Will their love survive the turmoil, or will they succumb to the forces determined to tear them apart? Ultimately, it's a poignant tale of resilience in the face of overwhelming odds. This series is a captivating journey through love, filled with rich character dynamics and powerful performances. The chemistry between the leads is palpable, making their emotional struggles deeply engaging. While the beautiful music enhances the storytelling, the bittersweet ending leaves a lasting impact that may not resonate with all viewers. Overall, it's a must-watch for fans of heartfelt dramas. Number 6. Aşk ve Ceza, Love and Punishment. In Aşk ve Ceza, Love and Punishment, Yasemin, a 29-year-old working in advertising, discovers her fiancé's betrayal a week before their wedding. Heartbroken, she retreats to Bodrum to her mother's home. There, she has a chance encounter with Savas, a wealthy man on vacation, and they spend a night together. Yasemin, overwhelmed by guilt, leaves without revealing her identity. Savas, who falls for her, returns to Istanbul after a family tragedy. Yasemin finds out she's pregnant with Savas's child, whom she names Omar. Fearing the implications of the baby being heir to a powerful family, she hides the child. As Savas manages his family's affairs and searches for Yasemin, the series delves into their complex relationship and the secrets that emerge. Aşk ve Ceza, Love and Punishment offers a mixed bag of drama, romance, and cultural exploration. The series, notable for its compelling performances by Murat Yildirim and Tomris Insa, faces criticism for its shaky production quality and pacing issues. While some viewers appreciate the intense acting and the intricate portrayal of conflicting traditions, others find the storylines dragging and the characters' decisions illogical. The show delves into themes of infidelity and societal norms, but the depiction of these elements sometimes feels unrealistic and morally problematic. Despite its flaws, Ashkve Jeja remains engaging for its exploration of modern versus traditional values and the chemistry between its lead actors. Number 7. Merhamet, Mercy. This series follows Naren, played by Ongi Namal, who emerges from a harsh childhood marked by poverty and abuse. Her alcoholic father, Recep, and an unsupportive family force her to endure relentless hardship. Despite these obstacles, Naren works tirelessly, ultimately achieving her dream of becoming a successful lawyer in Istanbul. She leaves her troubled past behind, severing ties with her family and focusing on her new life. Her closest friend, Deniz, offers unwavering support. However, Naren's world is shaken when she encounters Firat, her long-lost first love, now engaged to Deniz's sister, Irmak. This reunion forces Naren to confront her unresolved past, including familial ties and deep-seated traumas. As the story unfolds, themes of love, betrayal, and personal ambition intertwine, revealing the complexities of Naren's journey and the impact of her past on her present. The series delves into themes of love, ambition, and reconciliation, offering a mix of emotional depth and dramatic twists. While well acted and engaging, the conclusion has sparked mixed reactions from viewers. Number 8. Heart of the City. Ali, a man with a troubled past, reluctantly returns to Istanbul, where he inadvertently becomes entangled in a series of unexpected events. While attempting to help a young girl named Dirin, he loses his passport, setting off a chain of unpredictable encounters. Dirin, engaged to Yigit, seeks a day of freedom and finds an unexpected connection with Ali. As they spend the day together, their lives take unexpected turns, challenging their preconceptions and altering their futures. Meanwhile, Ali's passport issue leads him to a surprising revelation about his own identity. What will happen next? Watch this amazing series to find out. Number 9. Kara Para Ashk. It is a fantastic love story of Omar, a dedicated and idealistic police officer, and Elif, a successful designer living in Italy, who returns to Istanbul to celebrate her birthday with her father. However, Omar and Elif's lives are unexpectedly converge when tragedy strikes. Omar's fiancée and Elif's father are killed together in a car, linking the two strangers in a mysterious crime. As Omar and Elif investigate, they unearth a connection to diamonds, sparking a reluctant partnership to solve the complex puzzle, where their paths intertwine in a dangerous dance of crime, deception, and the quest for justice. This is a fantastic series to watch. However, there are many repetitive scenes, but I will highly recommend you to give this series a try. Number 10. Bana Save May Anlat, Wings of Love. Wings of Love follows Leela, a beautiful single mother, returns to her father's home in Germany with her young son, Ruzgar, after a tumultuous marriage. Desperate for stability, she reluctantly agrees to marry Hasmet, a charming businessman with a dark, criminal side. On her wedding day, Leela discovers Hasmet's true nature and, fearing for her son's safety, flees, only to unknowingly seek refuge in the car of Alper, a talented chef grappling with his own turmoil. Alper's life has been turned upside down, his brother has died in a tragic accident, and his wife, Berna, lies in a coma, leaving him to care for their daughter alone. Struggling financially, he takes a job as a manager at Hasmet's restaurant, unaware of the dangers that lie ahead. As Leela and Alper's paths intertwine, they embark on a perilous journey filled with unexpected love and shared hardships. Together, they must navigate the challenges posed by Hasmet, who relentlessly searches for Leela. Amidst the chaos, Alper and Leela find solace in each other, forging a bond that defies their troubled pasts and uncertain futures. According to me, Wings of Love is a captivating series that masterfully explores the depths of love, be it romantic. With stellar performances and a well-crafted narrative, it keeps viewers engaged through a blend of drama, romance, and unexpected twists. The diverse love stories add richness, making it a memorable watch with a satisfying ending. Highly recommended for anyone seeking a compelling and emotional journey. Number 11. Kordugum, Intersection. This series follows the love triangle, which unfolds between businessman Ali Nijat, car designer Umut, and Naz, Umut's wife. Ali Nijat, haunted by a tragic accident that claimed his nephew's life, struggles with guilt and a strained family relationship. On a business trip to Italy, he meets Naz, a compassionate doctor who saves his friend's life, and they find themselves returning to Istanbul together after she misses her flight. Naz is married to Umut, a devoted mechanic who has sacrificed his ambitions for her education but now feels unappreciated and resentful. As Naz and Ali Nijat's paths intertwine, she inadvertently changes both their lives. Ali Nijat's interest in her grows, and Umut sees a chance to fulfill his dream of creating his own car with Ali Nijat's financial backing. As Ali Nijat learns he is a father to a young boy named Karn, Naz becomes a key support in his life, deepening their connection. This complicated dynamic sets the stage for emotional struggles and choices that will impact all three characters, testing their loyalties and desires amid ambition and heartache. No doubt, Intersection offers a gripping narrative with strong performances. But even though the first two seasons captivate with emotional depth and relationships, but I have a huge disappointment with the character developments in season 3, especially regarding Ali Nijat's choices. The shocking turn of events, including Naz's fate, feels jarring and unsatisfying. While the series excels in storytelling and character arcs initially, the later episodes leave unresolved tensions and a sense of rushed conclusions. Overall, it's a worthwhile watch, but the ending may not sit well with all fans. Number 12. Benim Hala Umudum Var, I Still Have Hope. This series follows Umut, who is a kind-hearted young woman, working as a manicurist, living in a challenging home environment filled with jealous, and abuse from her stepfamily. Her life takes a turn when she meets Ozan, a wealthy and charming man who, fearing prejudice against his class, pretends to be poor. They fall deeply in love, navigating their feelings in secrecy to avoid the scrutiny of their respective families. As their relationship blossoms, Ozan struggles to reveal his true identity, wanting to protect Umut from her abusive home life. Their love story unfolds like a modern Cinderella tale, highlighting the stark contrasts between their worlds. Tensions rise as secrets threaten to surface. Ultimately, they must confront the obstacles that stand in the way of their happiness. According to me, this series offers an engaging premise with a modern Cinderella storyline, but it tends to drag as the episodes progress, often feeling repetitive. Number 13. Gotch Jamani, Time of Departure. Gotch Jamani follows Janet, a resilient woman, is forced into an arranged marriage with Jamil as his second wife after fleeing Mardin with her daughters. In Istanbul, she faces hostility from Jamil's first wife, Hanim, who is unable to have children and feels threatened by Janet's beauty and talent as a carpet weaver. Hum manipulates Jamil and takes Janet's sons, raising them as her own, while Janet is left with only her daughters. As Janet's suffering deepens, she dreams of a better life for her children, especially Zumrit, whom she wants to send to school in Istanbul. In a cruel twist, Jamil eventually marries Janet off to landowner Faisal to settle his debts. The series unfolds the themes of motherhood, resilience, and the struggles of women in a patriarchal society. Jannet's journey highlights her fight for her daughter's futures amidst family battles and societal constraints. Even though this series captivates with its exploration of cultural struggles and resilient characters, particularly Janet. However, the plot becomes convoluted and the final disappointingly undermines the series' strong start, leaving viewers confused. While the themes are poignant, the execution falters, ultimately overshadowing its initial promise. Number 14. Yalancılar ve Mumları. This series centers on four female friends navigating the complexities of their lives and relationships. Elif, a grieving widow and single mom, struggles with her husband's death. Jada, a busy wedding planner, has no time for a personal relationship. Shabnam appears to have a perfect life, but her struggle to conceive is straining her marriage. Maliha, a successful psychiatrist, starts an affair with one of her patients, challenging her logical demeanor. The series explores their adventurous and scandalous journeys in dealing with these issues. The series features strong performances and engaging emotional depth, though some might find the storyline lacking in excitement. Overall, it's a heartfelt drama with impressive production and cast. Number 15. Sanyas. Sanyas is a captivating Turkish series that deftly balances drama, romance, and suspense. With well-developed characters and realistic relationships, the show hooks viewers from the start. This series follows Selim, an idealistic prosecutor, accepts a risky offer from a former mafia member to end organized crime in Istanbul, pledging to protect the man's son, Agun. Agun, entrenched in his father's dangerous world, struggles to accept his father's decision to become a witness. Meanwhile, Selim's neglected wife, Jana, seeks a divorce after 18 years of marriage and vows to pursue her own career. Their daughter, Yağmur, supports her mother's decision and resents her father's neglect. Selim's attempt to reconcile with Jana leads to a turbulent journey to Izmir, where their presence disrupts the family dynamic. Amidst these tensions, Agun and Yağmur find themselves drawn to each other, further complicating the situation. Even though the ending may leave some wanting more, Sanyas remains a must-watch for its gripping storyline and stellar cast. So that was the video, friends. If you want to know about more romantic Turkish series, then please click here.